Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday. Today, I'm going to talk about another online resource provided by the Muhlenberg County Public Libraries at no cost to you, KYVL, the Kentucky Virtual Library. The Kentucky Virtual Library is a consortium of nearly 300 Kentucky libraries and institutions, including colleges and universities, public libraries, K-12 schools, hospitals, Department of Defense libraries, the Kentucky Department for Libraries and Archives, and more. The three primary services of KYVL include databases, courier service, and Kentucky Digital Library. To get started using this service, open your browser and go to mcplib.org. Scroll down to the Get Started section and click Online Resources. Scroll down until you see the picture for KYVL and click on it. I find that the easiest way to navigate this site is to use the orange tabs near the top, which are categorized by how you want to use this site according to your age, profession, and education level. This will be a three-part series which I will break down into uses for professionals, college students and adults, and K-12 students. This video will focus on how to use this site for professionals. I'll start by clicking For Professionals and clicking the link underneath it. This takes you to a page which will show you 5 guides depending on your profession type: business, health, K-12 education, resources for professionals, and social work. Let's start by looking at business professionals. You can see that the first list, Getting Access, talks about needing your username and password to access some of the KYVL databases. The password for this changes periodically, so you will need to come in or call us for the newest username and password information. Next, they have a custom Google search just for business-related websites. And then they've got several websites broken down into 2 different categories: marketing resources and international business resources. Next, we have for health professionals. In their list of recommended databases, you can see there is a brief description of each one. Let's check out Academic Search Complete. This is where you will enter your KYVL username, which is #public, and the password does change periodically. After you've entered in your information, click Login, and it will take you to their site. Taking a quick look at the search options, you can see that you can get very specific with what you are searching for. I'll do a search for flu season, and I'll leave everything set to default. Click Search. And I get a lot of results. I have results from academic journals, videos, as well as periodicals. be sure to use the filters on the left to get more specific with what you want. For instance, I can change the date from 2010 to 2020. When you click away, it will update automatically. When you want to check out one of the articles, simply click on the link. This particular article is from a PDF, so click on the full text, and it will bring that up. Let's go back to check out another resource. Let's try the AHFS Consumer Medication Information. This looks exactly the same as before, however, at the top you can see that it's only searching this particular database. What you can do is click Choose Databases to choose as many as you would want to search through at the same time. Click OK, and then start your search. And it's the same as last time. You get lots of results, and you can use the filters on the left to tweak them. Let's go back to our list of databases. Be sure to read the description of each database to choose the one that will best suit your needs. Please note that there are also a couple of psychology-based databases. Let's go back and look at another profession. K-12 education professionals. You're greeted with the welcome page, and I would use the orange tabs on the left to get started for what you need specifically. If you already have your KYVL username and password, you're ready to get started by clicking on Research Articles and Databases. Here you can see they have them broken down by general, which includes students and teachers, and then just for teachers, you have it broken down by grade level, elementary, middle, and high. Let's try clicking on Explora for high schools. I'll try checking out the science and math portion. Let's click on Atomic Mass Unit. This is a very similar looking result page. Again, use the filters on your left to get more specific with what you are looking for. And click on the link when you are ready to view it. When you're ready to go back, click the back button. When you're finished using this database, you can either close out of the tab or go back to the one beside it, which will take you back to your list of databases. Be sure to note that they have it broken down by profession in the K-12. They list teachers, school library and media specialists, school counselors, and administrators. Let's go back to the list of professions. Social work. On this page, you see that they list National Association for Social Work publications, as well as a few other publications. On the left, you can use the orange tabs to click on different types of papers and websites. You have listed U.S. government websites, as well as a custom Google search just for social work resources. Let's try clicking on Census Bureau. Again, please note that it opens up in a new tab, so when you're finished with it, you may leave it up so you can go back to it later, and go back to the other tab, where you are now back to your list of websites. Underneath Data and Statistics, you have a lot of sites to choose from. We'll check out CDC Data and Statistics. Going back to the first page, Social Work Professionals, you also see they have a couple of suggested databases, as well as a list of career resources just for social work. Let's try clicking on socialservice.com. I hope this gives you a good idea of what to expect from this site as someone from one of the professions I mentioned today. As you can tell, there are a lot of resources to choose from, too many for me to have the time to go into detail about, so I encourage you to use as many as possible. If you have a positive experience using this service, be sure and let us know on social media. Join me next time as I'll be going over how to use this site for college students and adults. Thanks for watching.